welcome to another tech video. So we've got a really old Dell Optiplex 7010 that won't switch on. So we've got a Dell Optiplex 7010 with no power. Oh, so let's get in and have a look. Okay, so this one's obviously been purchased second hand. On the top here we've got a loose velcroed in SSD drive. Quite dirty, but we're going to remove all of this and we're going to try and get the power supply out. So we're going to remove the front, take the front off. Oh god, this is, look at that, this hasn't been cleaned for a while. So I think what I'm going to do is, yeah, we're going to take it apart first of all and give it a good clean in a minute. Just disconnect everything that we need to first of all. Okay, how do we get into here? Okay, so we're going to release the lock down there. We can lift that up and take that out. So we've got power down here. We've got power over there, and then we've got our peripherals. So, right, let's just pick off this dust and fluff off the front. Come back to that in a minute. Okay, so let's release this. Where does that go? That goes underneath all of this. This is the front cabling, so we can take this out as well. It's in the front, and then I'm going to feed this underneath the USB connectors for the front. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So we've got our 24-pin connector. Let's disconnect that. Oh my god, solid. Does not budge. Give it a good wiggle out. There we go. Okay, that has now come out. Okay, and then on the back here we've got 3 screws to remove. Okay, and that should now, there is a clip on there, but okay, that slides forward, and then we should be able to extract that from there. Right, so that's out with the old. Would be our replacement. So okay, okay, and our replacement looks all right. Looks like it's reconditioned, made in China. Okay, let's see if we can get this in same way the other one came out. There we go. And that clips into place. Take our 3 screws. Okay, there we go. Right. Remove the elastic band. So we've got our 24-pin connector, which goes into this slot down here. Make sure that that is locked into place, which it's not at the moment. There we go. That's now locked into place. Then we're going to take our 4-pin connector. And this routed underneath these cables here. And underneath USB. You can slide that around there. Around here. That thing plugs into there. Like that. There we go. Route that out of the way. Tuck that under the motherboard. That is now routed out of the way. Right. Okay, so the next thing is we want to get our drive tray back in. Moving the cables out of the way and locks into place like that. Okay, then we take our power for the DVD. Okay, so the DVD slides in from there. Take our power connector and our SATA connector. That's the SATA connector that we want. And then we take our cover unit. Good. Slot into there. Enables us to tuck the power connectors out of the way. Okay. And then we need a piece of Velcro from our old power supply, because that's how they had it mounted. So we're going to mount it exactly the same. Plugs into there, and then we take our SATA connector. That just sits there, velcroed in place. Okay, right, so we'll just get this back together first of all, and then see if it works. Okay, and then we take our top lid. We need to get our DVD back in place, which currently should sit there like that. There we go. Perfect. Right. Now we want to see if we get any power. Hopefully it was just the power supply that had gone. Sometimes when the power supply goes, it can also take out the motherboard as well. So let's see if this resolves. Okay, so we can see we've now got output, we've got power, and what I've done is I've connected using a display port to HDMI, which then goes up to our screen, and there we've got our output from the PC. So success in terms of the power supply replacement. The next thing we're going to do is give it a good clean out, and then we can get this back to our client. So that was quite a nice easy 10-minute fix. They're the sort of ones that we like. We're going to clean this machine out thoroughly, going to give it a blowout, give it a good wipe out, and then get this back to our client. So if you found that video useful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.